Hey there, welcome to SmartNTricky. I'm so excited to have you here. If you're looking for clever tips, smart hacks, and tricky solutions to make your life easier, then you're in the right place. On this channel, I'll be sharing everything from life hacks, DIY tricks, tech tips, and so much more. Whether you're looking to save time, learn something new, or just impress your friends with some cool tricks, SmartNTricky has got you covered. Every week, we'll dive into new and exciting topics, breaking down complex tasks into simple, easy-to-follow steps. And the best part, it's all about making your life smarter and trickier in the best way possible. So whether you're a DIY enthusiast, a tech geek, or just someone who loves learning new things, there's something here for everyone. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss an update. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you're as excited as I am to start this journey together. Thank you for joining SmartNTricky. Let's get smart, let's get tricky, and let's have some fun. See you in the next video.